Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I will be showing you how I got this hair using a hair straightener. And if you are interested to see, then please keep watching. Definitely very kind of messy, beachy, waved curls. But you know, I love having fun, messy hair. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and please stay tuned for more videos. No. So, first step is to make sure your hair is all nice and brushed out. So I'm going to split my hair in 3 separate sections and maybe a little 4th section on the top. So here's the section that I will be working with first. Got to make sure to have my heat protectant glove, but I'm just going to start with probably about an inch worth of hair each section. The key is to take your straightener and curl your hair away from your face. So since this is the left side of my head and I am right-handed, I'm going to go over top, clamp, twist it once, and pull through. So clamp, twist the straightener so it's all the way flipped around, and pull the hair through. Oh. Alright, that one was kind of rough. So let's do this again. On the other side. So this is right side. I'm going to clamp the hair, twist it the opposite direction, twist the hair away from your face each time, and just gently pull that through, like so. So, for the rear portion of my hair, I'm just going to alternate the direction that I twisted in. So I'm going to go here, twist it once, pull it through. Second bit of hair. Straighter your hair is, the easier it will slide through the hair straightener. So, taking another 1-inch section, and this is the left side of my face, so I'm going to curl away from my face, going above, clamp, drop the hair, twist it once away, and gently pull that hair through. Opposite side, clamp, twist away, pull it through. So this portion, since the other layer I had curled the opposite way, I'm going to clamp, and curl the opposite way. Pull it through. the harder you grip the straightener, the harder it'll be to pull your hair through because you're just yanking on your hair. So light touch. I'm gonna add a little bit of hairspray. Last section, I'm going to split my hair in a couple different sections. I'll start with this side here, clamp, turn away. Gently pull that through. Same with this side here. And I'm going to clamp this way, pull it through. So now that everything is curled, I'm going to go through, add a touch of hairspray on the top to loosen up those curls a little bit. I'm going to go through and touch up a couple of areas. So these are definitely the messiest kind of curls that you could get, especially if you have short hair like me and it's hard to really achieve a thick, voluminous curl using a hair straightener. But it's definitely a quick and easy way to really achieve a kind of wavy-haired, kind of wavy, curly-haired look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thumbs up. Please subscribe for more videos, and I hope that you enjoyed. And again, have a fantastic rest of your weekend, and stay tuned for more videos.